Home Remedies presents Wow! A powerful home remedy for quick arthritis relief. This is certainly one of the arthritis treatments that many people are unfamiliar with. But don't be fooled, folks, because this is actually one of the most incredible home remedies for arthritis you will ever come across. Apple cider vinegar and baking soda are two incredibly potent natural remedies for arthritis that you should incorporate in your diet if you want to successfully treat this disease and its accompanying symptoms without having to rely solely on pharmaceutical medications. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. As for bringing relief to sore joints and successfully treating arthritis, apple cider vinegar works wonders, especially when it is combined with the baking soda. And here's exactly how to do it. So, all you need to do is mix up 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda in a full glass of filtered water. You can also add a teaspoon of manuka honey for extra benefit and taste. Drink this concoction twice daily 20 minutes before a meal, then increase to 3 times daily after your first 2 weeks. One of the most notable benefits people discover within a few short weeks of using this arthritis remedy, besides an amazing amount of relief from their joint pain and inflammation, is the enormous energy boost they receive. Taking baking soda with apple cider vinegar prevents your digestive system from having to use up and waste its own internal bicarbonates, which results in a natural increase in energy. So, get ready to enjoy this positive side effect as well. Tips on purchase. When you purchase your apple cider vinegar, always make sure it is certified organic and still contains the mother apple like these ones. Remember this, without the mother apple, apple cider vinegar is useless. The baking soda must also be pure and naturally mined. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.